Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. The Dada Saheb Phalke Award is associated with which sector in India? Right answer is option C, film. The Nobel Prize is awarded in how many distinct categories? Right answer is option B, 6. Which award is India's highest civilian honor recognizing contributions across art, science, public service, and sports? Right answer is option B, Bharat Ratna. The Grammy Awards are given to recognize outstanding achievements in which field? Right answer is option C, music. The Vyas Samman is conferred primarily for contributions in which area? Correct answer is option B, Hindi literature. The Arjuna Award is presented to individuals for excellence in which field? Correct answer is option C, sports. The Kalinga Prize, instituted by UNESCO, is awarded for excellence in which domain? Right answer is option A, science communications. The Sahitya Academy Award is one of the most prominent honors in which domain? Correct answer is option B, literary. The Man Booker Prize is internationally renowned for excellence in which domain? Right answer is option B, literature. The Bihari Award, instituted by the KK Birla Foundation, is given in which field? Right answer is option B, literature. Which prestigious prize is awarded for exceptional achievements in journalism and literature? Right answer is option A, Pulitzer Prize. The Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize is a prestigious award presented in which field? Right answer is option B, science. The Paramveer Chakra is India's highest honor awarded for bravery in which sector? Correct answer is option C, military. The Abel Prize is globally awarded for outstanding achievements in which subject? Correct answer is option D, mathematics. The Saraswati Samman is given for notable contributions in which field? Right answer is option B, literature. Which award is exclusively given to sports coaches in India for their contribution to training athletes? Right answer is option B, Dronacharya Award. The Oscar Award is presented annually to recognize excellence in which field? Right answer is option B, film. The Vachaspati Samman is awarded for excellence in which classical Indian language? Correct answer is option B, Sanskrit. The Tansen Award is given to individuals in recognition of their contribution to which field? Right answer is option B, music. The Bole Award is associated with achievements in which domain? Right answer is option A, agriculture. The Kalidas Samman, awarded by the government of Madhya Pradesh, recognizes excellence in which field? Right answer is option C, classical music, dance, and arts. The Gnanpith Award is one of the highest literary honors in India. In which field is it awarded? Right answer is option C, literature. The Dhanvantri Award is given to honor excellence in which area? Right answer is option B, medical science. The Juliet Curie Award is presented to individuals for outstanding contributions in which field? Right answer is option A, peace. The Merlin Award is globally recognized for excellence in which unique field? Right answer is option C, magic. The Nandi Awards are primarily associated with the cinema of which Indian language? Right answer is option C, Telugu. The Mahavir Chakra is considered which level of military honor in India? Right answer is option B, second highest. The Pampa Award is the highest literary award presented by which Indian state? Correct answer is option B, Karnataka. The Ramon Magsaysay Award from the Philippines is presented in how many categories? Right answer is option C, 6. The Kumar Gandharva Award conferred by Madhya Pradesh is associated with excellence in which domain? Right answer is option C, classical music. The Pritzker Prize is an international honor awarded for outstanding contributions in which field? Right answer is option A, architecture. The Kanakshri Award is a literary honor given by which Indian state government? Right answer is option C, Karnataka. Which Indian award is considered the highest in the field of military honors? Right answer is option D, Paramveer Chakra. The Tansen Samman awarded by the state of Madhya Pradesh is associated with which field? Right answer is option C, classical music. The Gomant Vibhushan Award is the highest civilian honor of which Indian state? Right answer is option B, Goa. The Borlaug Award is presented for contributions in which sector? Right answer is option B, agriculture. The Padma Shri is regarded as which rank among India's civilian honors? Right answer is option C, fourth rank. The Indira Gandhi Prize is awarded for contributions towards which cause? Right answer is option C, peace, disarmament, and development. The Awadh Samman is an award presented by which Indian state government? Right answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. The Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna is a prestigious Indian award given in which field? Right answer is option C, sports. The Padma Vibhushan is regarded as which level of Indian civilian honor? Right answer is option C, second. The Bal Sahitya Puraskar, presented by the Sahitya Academy, recognizes contributions in which area? Right answer is option A, children's literature. The Veer Chakra is the third highest Indian military honor awarded for what kind of bravery? Right answer is option A, wartime gallantry. The Dronacharya Award is awarded to individuals for excellence in which specific role? Right answer is option B, sports coaching. The Aga Khan Award is a globally prestigious prize in which discipline? Correct answer is option C, architecture. The Lal Bahadur Shastri National Award is given for excellence in which field? Right answer is option B, public administration. The Kabir Samman, given by the Madhya Pradesh government, recognizes achievement in which field? Right answer is option B, literature. The Maharaja Ranjit Singh Award is associated with honoring achievements in which field? Correct answer is option B, sports. The Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela Prize honors individuals for contributions in which domain? Right answer is option B, social service. The Ramanujan Award is globally recognized in which academic field? Right answer is option B, mathematics. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.